In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert guidelines in PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint file and make sure you are on the main editing screen with your slides visible. Go to the View tab on the top ribbon and click it to open the View options. In the View tab, look for the Show group where display options are located. Find the option labeled Guides and check the box next to it. Once enabled, guidelines will appear on your slide. You will see one vertical guide running through the center of the slide. You will also see one horizontal guide crossing through the center of the slide. These guidelines help you align objects in the middle of your slide. You can use them to position text, images, and shapes in a balanced layout. They act as reference lines for placing elements evenly across the slide area. The guides will remain visible while you continue working as long as the Guides option stays selected in the View tab. If you move between slides, the guides will still appear in the same central position. You can return to the View tab at any time and check or uncheck guides in the Show group depending on whether you want them visible. Thank you for watching the video.